Hello and welcome back to another Friday Show and Tell. Today's tip is a recommendation that I hope will never be needed. And fortunately, it has not been needed. Back when the kids were infants, we decided to put emergency contact information on the car seat itself. Visible from the outside, but folded and obscured enough that not everyone would be able to see it, but it would be there in case it had to be opened up and viewed. So pretty simple to do. The label itself, it's a pocket sleeve for 3-ring binders, and I simply printed out a information onto a piece of cardstock. It has our names. We would also put our phone numbers there. It has alternate contact information in the event that we were both in the vehicle and incapacitated or otherwise. On the back, have all the information about our kids. So it'd be name, address, birth date, the doctor, so whether it's primary care physician or pediatrician, any known allergies, and any medical conditions we could list there. Printed out, double-sided cardstock, fold it up, and slide it in. Now it's one of those things that has become less, I wouldn't say less useful or less needed as they have gotten older. Back when they were infants and didn't know their name, then absolutely important. But now they know their address, they know phone numbers, at least one of our numbers. So, but as they're infants, we decided to put this emergency contact information on the seats. And obviously, as doctors change or moving, any of that, we would have to update this as well. Good time to double check to make sure all of that is updated is whenever you're doing vehicle registrations every year. If you're in a state, I think every state does vehicle registrations, but yearly, just double check as you go through the car, making sure that that's good to go. So hopefully never be needed. And I hope is if it is needed by someone out there that is beneficial, to a child, where that information and either family or friends can be contacted in the event of an accident. So thank you very much for joining me for Friday Show and Tell. If you enjoyed today's video, please give a thumbs up. If you want to see more content, I plan on doing a show and tell every week. Please subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please list those below. Thanks and have a great night.